Hey guys, welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Paul. It's always great to see you. We're bringing back the Dutch oven by popular demand, and we're making a bacon and Brussel bake. Here's what you'll need. We'll need a ton of Brussels sprouts, bacon, shredded gruyere cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, #shredder, a few diced scallions, half an onion diced up, some heavy cream, butter, and of course we'll need some garlic. This was an interesting experience. Sometimes things don't turn out how you expect, but if it still tastes good at the end, that's great. I learned a lot making this dish. More on that later. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees and wash your hands. And into a Dutch oven, a little butter must fall. Melt that butter down in time-lapse fashion, pull out the diced scallions, and drop them in. Follow it up with the diced onion. After that, add all those Brussels sprouts and stir it together. I mean, really take your time with this one and mix it up for about 10 minutes or so. And you don't think I would forget about our old friend salt and pepper, did you? Well, I did, but when you add cayenne red pepper to the mix, who can blame me? Take more time to stir that all in. You'll want to get everything evenly distributed. Give it a hat and let it steam for a few minutes. Then get back in there and rough it up. A little burn is all right. It means it's ready for the heavy cream. Pour it all around and then drop in your garlic. Give that a good once-over, and before you know it, it's time for cheese. Drop in the shredded gruyere and the bacon! Mix those in and top it off with the shredded cheddar, #shredder. Don't be afraid to push it all around the top to get everything nice and covered. And again, give it a hat. Okay, so the oven is now at 375 and we gotta put it in, but a bit of advice. Find out if your Dutch oven fits into your kitchen oven before doing any of this. No big deal. Remember when I said that I learned a lot? If it doesn't quite fit, move the shelf down. Every day you learn something new. Anyway, get it into the oven for about 15 minutes, which goes by just like that. Take it out and remove the hat to reveal its magnificence. Dredge up giant spoonfuls onto a plate, and voila! And that's how you make my bacon and Brussel bake, which I am really looking forward to getting into. For more recipes and videos like this, go ahead, drop a like here, or better yet, you can subscribe to my channel. Just click on my face around here somewhere. This has been Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Paul. See you next time. There's no demand.